Hi everyone, welcome back to the Clever Trick channel. Do you love the unique aroma of cilantro? This little herb not only adds a burst of flavor to your dishes, but is also packed with nutrients that are great for your health. Cilantro is used in countless recipes around the world, from hot soups and fresh salads to rich broths, especially in Asian and Latin American cuisines. You can even brew cilantro tea for a soothing drink. But here's the tricky part. Cilantro is delicious, yet it wilts easily, bruises quickly, and doesn't last long. Where I live, it's super affordable and abundant in season, but as soon as the weather shifts, it becomes expensive and hard to find. So how do we keep cilantro fresh in the fridge for as long as possible? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy, effective, and very convenient tips to store cilantro, so you always have some fresh and ready to use in your meals. Let's get started. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, once you bring your cilantro home, pick out any yellow or damaged leaves. Be gentle because this step affects how well the cilantro will stay fresh. If you leave in the bad leaves, they'll rot and spread to the rest. What a waste, right? I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Storing cilantro in water. After cleaning, we'll try this method first. Have you ever thought about storing cilantro in water? It's pretty simple. Grab a glass or cut the top off a plastic bottle. Here, I'm using a plastic bottle. The size depends on how much cilantro you want to store. Fill the bottle with about 5 centimeters of water. Now place the cilantro inside. I have two kinds here, one with roots and one without. You can use this method for either. It looks like a cute little green bouquet, doesn't it? Next, gently cover the cilantro with a large zip-top bag or plastic bag. Place the cilantro container in the fridge. It will stay fresh and green for 2 to 4 weeks, depending on its quality when you first bought it. Cilantro with roots lasts longer than the cut variety. If your cilantro still has roots, you can even keep it outside in a cool spot instead of the fridge. When you need some, just take what you need and leave the rest. Convenient, right? Method 2. Regrow your cilantro. Since we mostly eat the leaves, we'll cut the roots and regrow them. Divide your cilantro like this: stems for cooking, roots for planting. It's easy to regrow using a hydroponic setup. You can repurpose any plastic bottle you have at home. Cut the bottle in half. Now, let's start planting. Place the cilantro roots through the neck of the bottle. Carefully thread the roots through the mouth of the bottle. Then place the top half into the bottom part. You'll see the roots touch the bottom. Add just enough water to cover the roots, not the stems, or they'll rot. That's it! Your cilantro is now growing. Place it on a balcony or sunny spot, and after some time, it'll start sprouting new leaves. Remember to change the water every 2 to 3 days to keep it fresh and prevent root rot. In about 1 to 2 weeks, you can start harvesting new cilantro leaves. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's move on to properly cleaning cilantro to make storage easier. Fill a bowl with water, add a pinch of salt, and a spoonful of baking soda. Mix until dissolved. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, please hit that button. It really supports me. Thank you so much. Then soak all the cilantro in the solution. If you're saving the roots to regrow, you can either cut them off or leave them attached while soaking. Let it soak for about 10 minutes. Baking soda is alkaline and helps remove pesticide residues, while salt has antibacterial properties. Together, they clean the cilantro well, removing dirt and insect eggs. Cilantro is rich in vitamins and minerals, so cleaning it properly helps it stay fresh longer. After 10 minutes, rinse the cilantro with clean water. Be gentle. Cilantro bruises easily. You can rinse the cilantro 2 to 3 more times in clean water to make sure it's fully clean. Once washed, place it in a colander to drain. The drier your cilantro, the longer it lasts. If it's still damp, use a towel to gently blot the moisture. Now your cilantro is clean and dry. You can chop it up and add it to your favorite dishes. But hold on, let's check out another way to store it. Method 3. Storing cilantro with paper towels. Wrap your clean, dry cilantro in a paper towel. Make sure it's fully covered to keep it fresh. Many people worry that washed herbs won't last, but if you dry them well, it's not a problem. If you don't wash it first, you'll need to dry it thoroughly right after buying. Next, place the paper-wrapped cilantro in a zip-top bag or airtight container and store it in the fridge. The paper towel absorbs excess moisture and helps prevent spoilage. This method also keeps cilantro fresh for 2 to 4 weeks. Method 4. Freezing cilantro. Use washed, dried cilantro. Make sure there's no moisture. Since we don't eat the roots, you can regrow those separately. Cut the stems into usable pieces. Cilantro is fragrant, boosts flavor, stimulates appetite, and helps digestion. Place the chopped cilantro into a zip-top bag or container. I prefer containers. Store it in the freezer. This keeps it fresh much longer than in the fridge. It still keeps its flavor, and you only need to prep it once. Just be sure it's fully dry before freezing for the best taste. When you need it, just take some out and use it right away. Don't thaw it. Thawed cilantro becomes mushy and unattractive. Frozen cilantro is perfect for soups and stir-fries. It still smells amazing and saves cooking time. But if you're making a salad or need it as garnish, use one of the fridge storage methods instead. I've now shared several ways to keep cilantro fresh for a long time without it spoiling. Just remember to choose fresh cilantro and clean it well first. Which method do you like best? Leave a comment and let me know. Do you have any cilantro storage tips? Share them so we can all learn together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.